so it's charged. Hi everyone, welcome back. And this is my unboxing of the Ryobi ZRP2030. Or what I would just call the Ryobi Weed Eater. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, if you can sort of see, I actually have my Ryobi lawnmower battery charging on the side. Right before I go ahead and unbox this Weed Eater, which I'm pretty sure will actually be a different battery, which will be a lot smaller and compact, so that way, you know, I won't have a giant battery weighing me down, because it's a bit heavy. And actually, to start, and you know, obviously I taped over everything that had any information on it, so your box won't be like this. And this is, I believe, Home Depot, but the box isn't that heavy actually. It's like a pretty decently weighted box. I mean, I'm able to pretty easily carry this. And I'm gonna go ahead and look on the side before I unbox this. So, if I were to read on the side, it actually says everything about it. It's 18 volts, 10 inches, cordless trimmer / edger, lawn and garden, you know, factory reconditioned. Okay. Okay, so first, well, let's just. Okay, so don't really need to sit in that. That's metal, so. Like I thought, the box is essentially mostly open by the time I get it, so that's convenient. And there it goes. And we're opening. So, right out of the box. Okay, well, I guess I have to go up to the box. So, just to. Oh, okay, so it doesn't open like that. Open like this. Oh, and I dropped the battery. So looking at it, let me go ahead and take out the box, and it looks like it's obviously a lot less pieces than the mower was. So this looks pretty straightforward. I mean, you essentially just kind of have it like already set by the time you get it out, and you can see like the little blades here. But also out of the box we have this piece, which I believe you add on to the edger or whatever you call it. So, and also, okay, well, at least we won't get the batteries confused, because this is a completely different charger. Like, I mean, I knew it was going to be a different charger, obviously, but it looks completely different. So, I mean, I definitely won't be getting this confused. Warranty, risk of injury, electric shock, fire, and damage. Like, I mean, like every charger. And it says 1 plus. I'm assuming that's because it's the Ryobi 1 program, where it's a single battery for majority of the stuff, like the power tools and all that stuff. So glad that it's able to have interchangeable batteries within those. Although, of course, the lawnmower has a different one, but that's for obvious reasons. Okay, so it says it charges all 18-volt batteries, if you can sort of see that. So it says it charges the nickel, the lithium, and the lithium plus batteries. I'm not sure if it says lithium plus because I'm not sure if that's like a Ryobi thing or if there actually is a thing called lithium plus. I don't know, but it says 30-minute charger, so that kind of tells you what it is. Maximizes battery life, protects battery cells, and conserves energy with the teleport technology. Is that what it says? And it has temperature delay, power on, testing, defective, charging, maintenance, charge, and charge with energy save. Okay, so looks like you'll be saving energy. That's cool. I want to save energy. I like being energy efficient. Then we have the battery itself, and I'll just go ahead and switch the recharge. But here we have the battery. Looks kind of like one of those scanners that like they have at the stores. I mean, is it just me, or taking it out of the box and, well, bag, I should say, is the P102 battery. Lithium ion. Okay, cool. You know, 12 volts, 1.3 ampere hours. We kind of knew that. And, you know, it says please recycle, made in China, all that stuff. Ryobi, and it has the little 1+ thing. And it has all these stuff, so I'm not sure what all these symbols mean. I know that one's probably a drill. I think that one's probably a saw. I'm not sure what all these other symbols are. So I might have to get back to you on that, but looks like, oh, oops. These are the little grips to go ahead and put it into the thing, and let me see. I'll just go ahead and pull this up. And I mean, I guess it just fits in like this. Oh, yeah. So, it's charged. That's pleasant to know. So if you plan on getting one of these, know what you're have it. Know where you have it. Oh my gosh. Well, first time using a edger, so know not to touch the handle. And it doesn't seem to have a key like the lawnmower, so that's good to note. And I'm just going to go ahead and try to take out this battery because I don't want to destroy any windows. Okay, so that's it for the box. And I say we put the Edger Weed Eater on the other side of the room. So now I have the battery in the charger, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate putting the I'm going to go ahead and set the battery on the charger before I go ahead and end this video. So here's the battery, and I'm going to safely try to put this in, and it snaps in just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and untie this little strap thingy, and voila, it's, well, in the charger. And so they'll actually charge. I'll go ahead and push this over with its I guess it's Ryobi POW and, you know, the lawnmower battery, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick this in like so, and it should be charging. And that is pretty bright. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but the light itself actually does a pulse. So I think that's kind of pretty cool. Similar, I guess, to on the lawnmower battery, where it blinks to show you how it's charging. Yeah, and I'm going to end this here. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you all liked it. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and remember, well, have a wonderful day, and be safe when you're opening weed eater in a house, because that's dangerous. I'll catch you on the next one.